Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of delicious and affordable healthy eating. We all know how tough it can be to eat well when you're on a budget, but I promise it's not as hard as you think. I've put together 7 super simple, super tasty, and super budget-friendly meals that you can easily whip up at home. We've got breakfasts, lunches, dinners, even a dessert, all designed to keep your wallet happy and your taste buds satisfied. So grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get cooking. Let's kick things off with a breakfast staple that's as easy as it is delicious: overnight oats. This simple yet nutritious meal has become a favorite for many, and for good reason. It's not only quick to prepare, but also incredibly versatile, allowing you to tailor it to your taste and dietary needs. This is the perfect grab-and-go breakfast for busy mornings. Imagine waking up to a ready-made meal that you can just grab from the fridge and enjoy. No fuss, no mess, just pure convenience. It's ideal for those hectic days when you barely have time to sit down for breakfast. All you need is rolled oats, your milk of choice. I like almond milk, some yogurt for extra creaminess, a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and a sprinkle of chia seeds for that extra boost of nutrition. These ingredients come together to create a balanced meal that keeps you full and energized throughout the morning. Just mix everything together in a jar or container, pop it in the fridge overnight, and voila, breakfast is served. The oats absorb the liquid and soften, creating a creamy, pudding-like texture that's absolutely delightful. Plus, the flavors meld together beautifully, making each bite a treat. You can even get creative and top it with fresh fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of nut butter. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a handful of nuts add a delightful crunch and burst of flavor. A drizzle of almond or peanut butter can take it to the next level, adding richness and depth. The beauty of overnight oats is that you can customize it to your liking. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, there's a combination out there for you. Experiment with different fruits, nuts, seeds, and spices to find your perfect mix. The possibilities are endless, and you can have a different flavor every day of the week. Feeling adventurous? Add a scoop of protein powder or some cocoa powder for a chocolatey twist. Protein powder can help keep you fuller for longer, making it a great addition for those with active lifestyles. And who doesn't love a bit of chocolate in the morning? It's like having dessert for breakfast, but in a healthy way. So why not give overnight oats a try? It's a simple, nutritious, and delicious way to start your day. With endless customization options, you'll never get bored. Plus, it's a great way to ensure you're getting a balanced meal, even on the busiest of mornings. Enjoy your breakfast of champions. Next up, we're whipping up a super satisfying and protein-packed vegetarian meal: chickpea salad. This recipe is a lifesaver when you're craving something healthy, filling, and easy on the wallet. Simply drain and rinse a can of chickpeas, then mash them roughly with a fork. Add in some finely chopped celery, red onion, and fresh parsley for a burst of freshness. For the dressing, we're keeping it light and tangy with some plain yogurt, Dijon mustard, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix everything together and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious salad that's perfect on its own, in a sandwich, or as a topping for crackers. Pro tip for an extra flavor boost: try adding a teaspoon of curry powder to the mix. Let's move on to a protein-packed dish that's perfect for lunch or dinner: grilled chicken with quinoa. This recipe is simple, flavorful, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Start by marinating your chicken breasts in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and your favorite herbs and spices. I like to use a blend of oregano, thyme, and paprika. While the chicken is marinating, cook the quinoa according to package instructions. Quinoa is a great source of protein and fiber, making it a healthier alternative to white rice. Once the chicken is marinated, grill it to perfection and serve it over a bed of fluffy quinoa. You can add a side of steamed vegetables or a simple salad for a complete and balanced meal. Short on time? No problem. These veggie wraps are the perfect quick and easy lunch option that you can take with you on the go. Grab your favorite tortillas. I like whole wheat for the extra fiber, and spread them with hummus, avocado, or even some plain Greek yogurt for a protein boost. Then, load them up with your favorite veggies. I like to use a mix of crunchy lettuce, juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and colorful bell peppers. For an extra flavor kick, add a sprinkle of feta cheese or a drizzle of your favorite dressing. Roll them up tight, and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious lunch that's ready in minutes. Who says you need to break the bank for a delicious and satisfying dinner? With a few simple ingredients and a bit of love, you can create a meal that not only tastes amazing but also brings people together. This classic Italian dish, spaghetti aglio e olio, is proof that you can eat well on a budget. It's a staple in many Italian households, known for its simplicity and rich flavors. Start by cooking your spaghetti according to package instructions. Make sure to use a large pot of salted water to give the pasta the perfect texture and flavor. While the pasta is cooking, mince some garlic and thinly slice some red pepper flakes. The garlic will infuse the oil with its aromatic essence, while the red pepper flakes add a subtle heat. In a large pan, heat up some olive oil over low heat. Olive oil is the heart of this dish, so use a good quality one to enhance the flavors. Add the garlic and red pepper flakes and cook until fragrant, being careful not to burn the garlic. The key is to cook it slowly to release all the flavors without turning it bitter. Once the pasta is cooked, add it directly to the pan with the garlic and oil, along with a splash of the pasta cooking water. The starchy water helps to bind the sauce to the pasta, making it silky and smooth. Toss everything together until the pasta is evenly coated in the flavorful oil. Make sure every strand of spaghetti is glistening with the garlic-infused oil. Serve immediately with a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese and a final crack of black pepper. The cheese adds a creamy, salty finish, while the pepper gives a touch of spice. Buon appetito! Enjoy your meal in the company of those you share it with. This dish is not just about eating, it's about savoring the moment and the flavors. Let's talk meal prep. It's a game changer for anyone looking to save time, eat healthier, and reduce stress during the week. Imagine coming home after a long day and having a delicious, nutritious meal ready to go. That's the magic of meal prep. This lentil soup is a lifesaver for busy weeknights when you need a healthy and satisfying dinner on the table fast. It's not just quick to make, but also incredibly nourishing and comforting. Start by sautéing some diced onions and carrots. These vegetables form the base of our soup, adding a natural sweetness and depth of flavor. Next, add in some diced celery. Celery adds a wonderful crunch and a subtle, savory note. Then, toss in some lentils, vegetable broth, and diced tomatoes. The lentils are the star of the show, providing protein and fiber. Now, it's time to season. Add your favorite herbs and spices to elevate the flavor. I like to use a blend of bay leaves, which add a subtle, aromatic flavor, cumin for its earthy warmth, and smoked paprika for a hint of smokiness that makes the soup even more comforting. Bring the soup to a boil. This helps to meld all the flavors together. Then reduce the heat and let it simmer until the lentils are tender. This slow cooking process allows the lentils to absorb all the flavors. You can blend a portion of the soup for a creamier texture, which makes it feel more luxurious and rich, or leave it as is for a heartier meal with more texture. Either way, it's delicious. This soup is packed with protein and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied for hours. It's perfect for those who are looking to maintain a healthy diet without sacrificing flavor. Plus, it's super versatile. You can customize it with different vegetables depending on what you have on hand or what's in season. Experiment with different spices to keep things interesting. Maybe add a pinch of chili flakes for some heat or a dash of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory benefits. You can even add in some cooked grains like quinoa, which adds a nice texture and boosts the protein content even more. Or if you prefer, add some cooked rice for a more traditional, hearty feel. The possibilities are endless, making this lentil soup a true meal prep hero. Once your soup is ready, you can portion it out into containers for the week. It stores well in the fridge and even freezes beautifully, so you always have a healthy meal on hand. Whether you're at home or at work, this lentil soup is a comforting, nutritious option that makes meal prep a breeze. Enjoy! We can't forget dessert. This simple yet satisfying treat is the perfect way to end your meal on a sweet note without derailing your healthy eating goals. Start with a generous serving of plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is naturally high in protein and low in fat, making it a healthier alternative to traditional desserts. Drizzle over some honey for sweetness and sprinkle on your favorite chopped nuts for a satisfying crunch. I love using a mix of walnuts, almonds, and pistachios. For an extra touch of indulgence, add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a drizzle of melted dark chocolate. This dessert is so simple yet incredibly delicious and satisfying. And there you have it, 7 budget-friendly and healthy meal ideas that are sure to become new favorites in your kitchen. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a little creativity and planning, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed these recipes, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy and affordable meal ideas. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.